Good morning students. Today we will start our same topic, that is arithmetic mean, but new method, that is called the combined mean. We can say combined mean. Combined mean में आपको क्या पता है? तो सबसे पहले mean तो हमें पता है, but combined mean मतलब two or more variable just put together. So first combined it means the maybe the mean is more than one. ठीक है, हम लोग ने पहले केवल सपोज मार्क्स के लिए मीन निकाला. सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली वन मार्क्स. नाउ द वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द मार्क्स ऑफ द अकाउंट एंड मार्क्स ऑफ द इकोनॉमिक्स ऑल्सो. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द कंबाइंड मीन. सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ द कंबाइंड मीन? बिकॉज फर्स्ट वी कैन से कंबाइंड इट मीन्स द ग्रुप ऑफ टू, और वी कैन से वन मोर देन वन ओनली. थ्री ग्रुप भी हो सकते हैं, बट इन आवर टेक्स्ट बुक ओनली टू ग्रुप्स आर गिवन. बट मोर देन थ्री हो सकता है, मोर देन टू हो सकता है, मोर देन थ्री हो सकता है, बट इट इज कंपल्सरी मोर देन वन. इट इज कॉल्ड द कंबाइंड. फाइन. सो नाउ वन एंड टू वी कैन से थ्री होगा तो हम थ्री भी लिख सकते हैं. सो दैट इज द एक्स बार वन टू इक्वल टू एक्स बार वन एंड वन प्लस एक्स बार टू and 2 divided by n1 plus n. तो it is called the combined mean. When we are talking about the mean, तो आपके दिमाग में x आता है, but now in this sum we use the x bar. क्यों? क्योंकि हम यहाँ mean को combine कर रहे हैं. तो what do you mean by the mean? Mean it means the x bar. So you just combine this all mean only. Fine, बेटा? Now see this sum. X bar 1 is 12, x bar 2 is 20. n1 is 80 and n2 is 60. Fine. So just put the value in this formula. X bar 1 it means 12. 12 into n1 is 80. Now plus x bar 2 is 20. So 20 into 60. Now n1 plus n2 it means 80 plus 60. Now find out the value first. So 12 into 80, it's become what? It's become the 960. And second is 1200. So 960 plus 1200 divided by 80 plus 60. It means the 140. 140. Just put the value. 960 plus 1200 divided by 140, it should be the 50.43. So it means your combined x bar into 15.43. Here unit is not given to you, so don't write the unit. यहाँ कोई unit नहीं दिया है, marks or kgs or centimeter whatever. You just put the value and find out the x bar 1, 2. So this is the way you have to find out the combined mean. दिखने में easy लगता है, but धीमे धीमे हम थोड़ा सा complications बनाएंगे, but it is very easy that. Clear? Now the second question. Now the second question is here only. The mean wage of 100 workers is 284 and the mean wages of 70 workers. Total your 100 workers. It means what do you mean by the total? Your n1 plus n2 is 800. मतलब कि क्या हुआ? Total workers are 100. Among these 70 workers, so we can say n1 equal to 70 and remaining 30 workers. It means we can say our n2 is equal to 30. So our n2 equal to 30. So n1 plus n2 equal to 100. It is already given to you. n1 equal to 17, n2 equal to 30. Now see the carefully. 100 workers का आंसर दिया हुआ है. Fine. It means your x bar x12 is given to you because n1 plus n2 it means the total it means the first and second both. तो उनका कंबाइन करके मीन कितना दिया हुआ है? ₹284. Clear? ₹284. This is the way. Now the mean wages of 70 workers is 290. It means 70 workers is being there. It is x bar 1 is 290. So easy way, you just find out the x bar 2. Now what is the formula? First write down 1 2 equal to n1 x bar 1 plus n2 x bar 2 divided by n1 plus n2. Clear? Now what is your n1? 70. Clear? So now 70 into x bar 1 290. So 290 plus what is your n2? 30. So you just write down the 30 plus you have x bar 2. No, you don't have the value of x bar 2. You just put the x bar 2 here because we don't have the value of x bar 2. But we know the value of x bar 1 2. What is the x bar 1 2? That is the 284. So just write 284 here and upon n1 plus n2. So we can, you just directly write down 100 also and 70 plus 30 also, whatever you convenient. So 70 plus 30. Now just cross multiplication. So 284 into 100 equal to 70 into 290. What is the answer you got? 70 into 290, 20,300. 20,300. Now plus 30 x bar 2. Just plus this. Clear? This is the multiply, sorry. Now 284 plus 30 x bar 2. Listen, whatever the maths rule, you just apply it. इधर से इधर आया minus. So 28400 minus 20,300 equal to 30 x bar 2. Just minus this two figure. So 8,100 equal to 30 x bar 2. Clear? Now here 8,100. So x bar 2 equal to 8,100 divided by 30. 3 2s are 6, 2, 3 7s are 270. So x bar 2 equal to rupees 270. Clear? So this is your answer. So if the sum missing is there, definitely अगर कुछ missing है तो आपको x bar 1 2 given होगा. Now the next sum of combining is, now the next sum is the mean age of a combined group of men and women is 30 years. It means it is given to you x bar 1 2 equal to 30 years. Now if the mean age of group of men is 30, that man is 32 and that group of women is 27. Find the percentage of men and women. Focus this word. Percentage of men and women in the group. It means यहाँ ना मैन की वैल्यूज दिए, नंबर्स दिए, ना मेल और फीमेल दोनों के किसी के भी नंबर्स आपको मेन एंड वुमेन के गिवन नहीं है. So again the difficult task because two values are missing. But focus on this word here. This is the important criteria among this. First you find out, write down the given, whatever given to you. So given x bar 1 2 is there 30 years. And if the mean age of group of men is 32, well we can say x bar 1 equal to 32 years. Now x bar 2 is also given to 27 years. But we need the n1 also and n2 also. It means number of male also and number of female also. So we can say n1 it is the number of male and number of women. Fine? We just assume that. Now what is the criteria of this percentage? मैं बार-बार कहती हूँ कि that is the important word. So how it is important? So you just assume that what is the percentage. So let us assume that the मैन इज कंबाइंड ग्रुप इज, वी अज्यूम दैट, हम लोग जस्ट अज्यूम करते हैं, इफ द मेन नंबर ऑफ मैन इज x परसेंटेज, है ना, मैन को हम लोग x अज्यूम करते हैं, नंबर ऑफ मैन्स को. So percentage is depend on the 100 only. So what is the Newman criteria? Number of 100 minus x, है ना, क्योंकि परसेंटेज पे तो 100 इज द बेस. सो अगर पे x है, सो फीमेल कितनी हो जाएगी, 100 minus x. So this is your n1 and this is your n2. Simple way. Clear? Because here percentage is given to you. You just write down the formula first. So x bar 1 2 equal to x bar 1 n1 plus x bar 2 n2 divided by n1 plus n2. You just put the value from this sum. Now, what is x bar 1 2? That is the 30 years is given to you. X bar 1 32. So 32 multiplied by n1 is x. Clear? Now plus 27 and your n2 is multiplied by 100 minus x. Clear? And upon x plus 100 minus x. Clear? And x equal to, now calculate this, solve it. 32x, so 32x plus 2700 plus minus 27x upon xx there, that is the 100. Clear? Now cross multiplication, this is the 30. Just cross multiply this. So 30 into 100 equal to 32x plus 2700 minus 27x. So this is 3000 equal to 32 minus 27, how much? 32 minus 27, it's become the 5x. So first you just write down the like this, 32x plus 27x. Now this side, 3000 minus 2700 equal to 32x minus 27x. So just this is the 300 equal to 5x. So x equal to 300 upon 5. 5 6 it means you just find out the answer. X equal to 60. It means the men's are 60%. And what is the n2? Women's 100 minus x. So you just put the value 100 minus x equal to 100 minus, what do you find out? 60. So 60, so it becomes the 40. So women's are 40%. This is your answer. Men's are 60% and women's are 40%. Clear? This is based on this word only. परसेंटेज है, इसलिए हमको दैट इज इजी टू फाइंड आउट कि अगर x 9 है तो फीमेल कितनी हो जाएगी 100 minus x, because this is the based on the percentage and percentage we just find out with the help of the what? Percentage we just find out the help of the 100. So यहाँ 100 assume करके आप लोगों को आंसर निकालना है. Clear? So this is all about the combined meal. So today we just see that the